fire, give me that what you deserve. Yeah.
Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. I'm rocking my pants, putting suckers in fear, making the tears rain down like a monsoon. Listen to the bass go boom, exploding, overpowering. Over the competition, I'm towering. Wrecking shop when I drop these lyrics that'll make you call the cops. Don't you dare stare. You better move. Don't ever compare me to the rest that'll all get sliced and diced.
What? You're expecting Ryan Reynolds? Good dog, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross-Racing. I'm coming to you from inside my badass ride. Woo! And I can say that this car is looking good. I'm heading over to shoot a face reveal. As you can see, I'm already revealed. But I figured it'd be a good opportunity to test out my new in-car cam. Channel's going to be expanding out to cover not only Harley motorcycle related content, but also automobile as well. Just got done cleaning up Challenger. I'm still trying to figure out a name for it. I love the green color, but a lot of the names I would go with something being green seem kind of silly or overly used. The one I just thought of just recently that I think I might go with. Let me know if you guys like this or not. The Groovy Ghoulie. If you guys remember the Groovy Ghoulies.
Everybody shout! Come on now, sing it!
They're fucking old. Oh god, this car gets me harder. Woo! I was actually thinking about calling this car the Flash, because every time I get in this car and I do something crazy, I get all go Flash, go. Once again, you know that reference. You're freaking old as well. So I'm in the Challenger. I know JT was kind of like, dude, when are you gonna show us the Challenger, man? Well, here you go, buddy. Yeah, this thing's got a serious grin factor. How about this?
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that what you deserve. Yeah.
Oh god. I swear the more you drive this thing, the bigger your balls get. Or maybe it's just me. Maybe it's bigger the wood you get, one or the other. Oh hey, that's better. Let's give a nice little rev. 6.4. 484 horsepower, 470 foot-pounds of torque, 182 top speed. Yeah, this thing's a little quick. Yeah. Anyways, let's go check out on the outside. Check that out. Representing some JT Southern Fried. Go check out his channel. Guy kicks ass. Tell you what, that boy's cool. So I'm out here with the Challenger. One of the main reasons, JT said he wanted to kind of have a little bit better look-see at the old 392. And what's cool about this is actually an RT 392 Scat Pack, but it's got all the bells and whistles of a 392 SRT, minus the 6-piston Brimbos and the 4-piston in the back, 6-piston in the front. This has got 4 and 2, but it's got the bigger tires, the 275s. It's got the sweet leather seats inside. It's got the two 12-inch subs in the back, 18-speaker sound system. Whoever had this car before me, because this car is not new, this car is slightly used. It's a 2018, about 15,000 miles on it. Got a little custom gold inserts there. Looks like the previous owner popped in there. This car is just gives you a chubby just looking at it. I like it a lot. Oh, I like it a lot. So folks, this is your boy Bly here with IronCross-Racing. Just hit a big milestone, at least for myself and for my channel, 500 subs. Thank you all very much. I appreciate all my subscribers. So when I hit 500, I told myself I'd do a face reveal, and here I am. Hi, how you doing? Anyways, I'm just out here with the Challenger, doing some shots, doing some pictures. I had a lot planned here for a face reveal. I was gonna do some skits, do some funny stuff, but I've been extremely lazy lately. As you can tell, I haven't done a video probably in at least a month. Just kind of busy doing stuff with the Challenger, life, whatever. So Bring It Home's coming up. I needed to go ahead and get my mug out there because I'm gonna be around a lot of other moto vloggers when we at Bring It Home. So I just needed to do a face reveal because really don't need to do it anymore. Didn't need to do it in the past. It's just something I thought, you know, wanted to kind of keep my anonymity.
Okay, don't hurt yourself.
Just wanted to keep myself private. No, not privates. Private. Yes. So anyways, just out here, like I said, with the Challenger, doing some donuts. Oh, I didn't do that, officer. That was not me. No, this whole thing here, yeah, I didn't do that. Not in this car. No. This, yeah, that wouldn't be good out of this. Yes, okay. Anyways, folks, gonna make this quick. I am literally have sweat dripping down in areas that you don't want to know that where it's dripping down. It's extremely hot. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Guy over there. Fast car. Hear that? Nothing compared to this. This gives you shits and grins. Remember shits and giggles? I don't know. When you guys have the shits, do you giggle? So why do they say shits and giggles? Yeah. It's just like shit, eat, and grin. Really? Huh? So you grin when you're eating shit? Yeah, I don't... Oh, hey, look. In the wild. Crikey. Oh, look at that. It's a cow. They're coming over to me. In a native Texas habitat. It's full of heifers. Lots of heifers. In a natural environment. Let's see if we can get a little closer, take a look-see. Oh, fuck that. Not gonna get my Converse dirty. Come on. Please, I don't think so. Okay, they're gonna wrap this up. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Boop. And stay tuned as I try to release a video as often as I can. And I'll see you guys later.
Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down, last done Scott gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down, last done Scott gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead.